Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Enthusiast back at that. I have this 2013 Cadillac CTS4. I'm gonna show you how to replace a fan. I have it right there. Uh, Before I get into that, you see me doing things right now, and at the same time, uh, asking you to support the channel. I'm saying, support the channel. Do that for me. Alright, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. So every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. What else? Oh, share this video and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. All right. Anything you want to say, anything you have in mind, put it in the comment box for me. All right. Yeah, pretty much. And yeah, hey, if you wanna give me a hand, wanna help me out, leave the tip on the table. And other than that, the other way you can help me also is by or support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Don't skip it. Watch the entire ad, and that's how you're gonna help me out. All right. I would appreciate it if you do that. Don't skip it. Watch the whole ad. All right. Do that for me. Okay, let's get it. We're gonna replace this fan. You saw I removed those clips, and we're just gonna lift it. I'm gonna fold it right there, and here it is. This is the guy right here. Let me give you some light so you can see it. 2013 Cadillac Caddy CTS4. All right, just so you know. This one is easy though. Some clips here. We have a connector here. Just squeeze it here, remove it. If it's too hard to disconnect it, just spray some WD-40. We're gonna have to remove this hose here. There's a connector over there, so just be careful with that. That's a flat screwdriver right here. You can lift this just like that, but before you lift it, you have to remove this cap. Now you can lift it and remove it. Just like that. Put this back. You don't want nothing to fall in there. Nothing's gonna fall in there though, but just in case, you know what I'm saying? Now, disconnect this. Hit those screwdriver or 8mm socket. Just gonna disconnect this. Put it on the side, just like that. Okay. Put it there. So I'm gonna pop this. Pop this. Okay. So it's out of the way. What else we have around here? We have we must have more like this. Let's see the new one. So you see a new one. It has one here, one there, and one there. 4 bolts. Okay, 10mm. Now let's see if there's like, if I see it. Oh, it's right there. There's one. I'm saying, so there's four bolts. Okay. But now to remove those. Those are 2. There's the other one over there. All right. Don't forget to disconnect this one. So I got this. I got that one. This one was easy. That one was alright. That one was okay. This one was easy. But this motherfucker right here, you have to pop this clip, pop it, push it to the side so you can reach it, which is right there. Alright. For that, I'm gonna use the power ratchet just to get over this. So okay, remove those bolts, disconnect this fuck. Now I'm just gonna pull it up. And you wanna put this. Do it like this. Just gotta put it up though. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Or what you can do is do something with that hose though. We're gonna have to remove these bots. There's like, you're gonna need the beat, whatever you call it, too. Alright. I'm gonna use the T20. Okay. Oh, and there's one more over here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I don't think I should disconnect this though, but if you need it, just do it. Alright. Just gonna like put it to the side, just like that. So I have a space now for this fan to come out, just like that. Ta-da, ta-da. That's for the thumbnail. Idiot. Now the same way you pull it out, the same way you're gonna put it back, install it. You know what I'm saying? It goes in reverse. Not much of a science of a chair. Those bolts that hold the fan are a little bit pain in the ass because those lines are on the way, and the ABS lines over there. But overall, wasn't that hard. Now I'm gonna put the new guy. Same way you pull it out, same way you pull it in. Put it in, I mean. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Go. That's it. Put the bolts back. Oh, this fan look a little bit bended though. Huh. Especially here. That's it, alright. Yeah, if you have so the way you test it is let the car run, you know. Let the engine catch some let it warm up. I'm saying the needle is gonna tell you. I don't want to turn the key though because I don't want to like to activate the check engine light because I disconnect some sensors. So when you turn on the car, well, once you install the new fan and all that, put everything back, start the car, let it run until the needle goes right there. And if you want to speed the process, just step on the gas, rev it like to the 3000s RPM for 30 seconds, then let it go, then do it again until you see the fan is gonna like start spinning. That means that it's working and it's doing its job as designed. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. Okay, if you have any questions, just please don't hesitate to put your comment in the your thoughts in the comment box. Do that for me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do that. Support the channel. Hit the bell so every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Okay, like the video, share the video, feedback, put in the comment box. Anything you need to say, put it in the comment box. Watch out with the language though, okay? Otherwise I'm probably gonna like not let it go through and people are not gonna see your comments. So just be careful with a few things. Just keep it in mind. Other than that, yeah, put whatever you feel like in the comment box. Support the channel by leaving the tip on the table. And if you don't have money to put the tip on the table, since you're watching this video for free, all you gotta do to help me out, to help out this channel, to support the channel, is watch the whole ad go through it, watch the full ad, don't skip it, okay? And that will help me out, all right? That will support the channel, and I would appreciate it. I would appreciate if you do that for me and for the channel, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. This was 2013 or 14. I put the range. I put the this procedure goes from 2013 to 2016. I'll put it in the title and in the description box too, so don't worry about it. This was a 2013 Cadillac. You see the vibes. CTS4. Alright, thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Catch me in the next one. See you. I'm out. Yeah.